Hello friends, good afternoon. I'm Dnyaneshwar Sharma, National Sales Manager from ZOLLER India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. We displayed our tool manager and tool cabinets where we have the two segments, ZOLLER software and ZOLLER hardware. So here we displayed our ZOLLER tool manager where we can keep our end mills, drills, insert and all type of tools. And a different one more item that's called the keeper where we can keep our assemble holders, some gun drills and some big shot holders. It's a German-based company. We have a business in 62 countries. Our main office is in Friedrichshain, Germany. All the manufacturing in the plant only, and we run in our business in 62 countries. Our main products are tool setting machines, tool inspection machines, tool management systems, shrink fit machines, tool balancers, and some special machines like hop check machine, head check machine.